Detailing 101 iron remover. We have washed this panel. It is still damp with the rinseless wash. And if you're using incredible suds, this works the same way. We apply the iron remover to the surface, and let's show you what iron remover does. Immediately, you see all these little metal particles have purple tracing behind them. That is the iron remover that is actually attacking the rust left behind by the iron particle. What causes these iron particles? The brakes on the car primarily. They're hot, molten pieces of metal that attach themselves to the paint. On a white car, you'll see it a lot more because the white car actually never gets hot, so it doesn't dry out the moisture that's around that piece of metal, causing rust. Now, we want to eliminate that. One way of using iron remover is simply spray it on the surface and hose it off. But that's not the most efficient way. The most efficient way is using a synthetic decontamination towel. And then where we want to remove the iron contamination or decontaminate the surface, one spray of the iron remover on the towel, one on the panel. Where we sprayed on the panel is where we deposit the towel, and using no pressure whatsoever, we're using the iron remover as a lubricant, and we're using the clay towel to spread the iron remover. This uses a lot less iron remover, making it a lot easier on your budget and on you. With the perforated synthetic decontamination towel, we want to use no pressure whatsoever. Just glide it across the surface, and when you don't feel any contamination anymore, and you don't hear it, you're done. From there, we rinse off the panel. Once all the iron remover is rinsed away, we take our drying towel and dry the surface, and now we have a clean, pristine white car. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below and join us in the next Detailing 101 video.